and welcome to class. I congratulate you for how you have put in energy resilience from chapter 1 of this course and to this chapter 12. We are almost here, and I salute your courage to embark on this training. So what if I tell you that there is a way to solve all the other issues we've solved from when we started this module? The last video we saw how to solve destination issues, whereas when I sent you a map document, you have to do that for you to be able to see all of those files. What if I tell you there is a better way for you not to go through any of those stress, to have to change from one folder to the other and all that? There is a better way, because ArcGIS always have a room for improvement. It has been there for long anyway, but just that most people don't know that it exists. Now, there is a better way for me to send all of these things without having to save it as map document, and without having me to send the map document and send the database. There is a better way to, even on WhatsApp, I can save and just drop it for you on WhatsApp, and then you download it and you get to do about it. So it is called map package. So to do how to save all of this, see all of these files as you see, let's learn how to do that. So you go to file, and then you come to share as, then you will see map package. You click on it. Now what they're asking you is the name that the data will carry. So I want it to carry only Mina. So it's telling me this is where it is. All right, so as a matter of fact, all the exercises you're going to be using in this course are saved as map package, sorry. So you can see this one has satellite imagery in it. Now the satellite imagery was around a gig plus. Now there are about 2 of the satellite imagery, but you see it's just 280 MB. And if you see the rest, some 259 kilobytes and all that. So I'm going to actually save this and send it for you as well. It's going to be part of any of your exercise. So though I will check the name of the exercise, but for now I'm just going to use it as, okay, I'm going to leave it as exercise. We're in module 12, so it's going to be exercise 12 and any other thing that has related of this data. All right, so I'm going to save it as exercise 12, and I'm going to click save. So you've done one map package. The map package is that you're going to save where you want it to be. All right, so the next you go to item description. Now what is this item description? Well, you have to describe the item, what is in it. It is exercise 12. So I may not describe everything. So exercise 12 entails all of this data that you already see us use. So let me just copy them. You have to set your tags. The tags, you have to set them, and you also have to describe. So you write what this whole thing is all about. And credit. The credit, it is that it is Allied Geospatial Information System. That's the company powering this training. So we're going to save Allied Geospatial. So I'm just going to leave it Allied Geospatial, and I think that is done. So the next thing is there any constraint? There's no constraint right now, so then there's no need for any additional information. So the next thing is you click on analyze to see whether there's any error. So you can see that there's no error, there's no item to show. So the next you click on share. Once you click on share, it's going to say you should save this thing again. So we just click on save, since originally it has a save. So it's going to save as map document. That's this one first. Then the next is going to process this as map package. So it's processing, see the folder size 4 MB. Like that, it's going to zip all of these things in a map package. So everything will be stored inside 20 MB. If I open the size of each of these things for you, they are more than 2 gigs, but it's already zipping them and compressing them. Here it's compressing the package so that it can be saved and delivered to you. So it is saved and it is in user, HP, desktop, Camtasia, ArcGIS, and then exercise folder. So I'm going to click on OK. Now this has been saved. So whoever you WhatsApp it to, now you see these are all the folder. If this is for example, if I double click on this, the next you're going to see is that it's going to now start opening. It does not matter the version of the ArcGIS, as far as ArcGIS is installed on your system. As you click on the map package, it's going to start processing and it's going to open up with every data intact. So let's wait for it to open. Without asking you for any destination, without asking for anything, every data that you see on the other one will be open here. Now this is still the other ArcGIS. So let the other one open. The other one come as exercise, so you will see it. Okay, so all of them are opening as yes. So you can see the new one that just opened. It has everything that is contained. This folder name Mina is what you will see there, though we've saved it as exercise 12, but it's not going to open as exercise. So it's going to open as the last name you save your map document as. All right, so I believe this elaborate explanation will set you straight and not confuse you. So thank you for tuning in today. I will see you in the next class where we'll round up this module or this session.